Power of the BI, or me and Power of the BI on LinkedIn. But you're going to receive a badge, but these are all my certifications. Well, these are some of the certifications that I have from Microsoft. Azure Data Fundamentals, Database Administrator, Data Analyst. Data Analyst is Power BI. Azure Data Engineer. Now, I don't have all my certifications on there, but down at the bottom, I do have all the certifications that I've tested and certifications that I have in the past. Fabric Analyst, Azure AI Fundamentals, Certified Systems Administrator, Data Engineering with Azure, Azure Database Administrator, Certified Azure Fundamentals, Certified Azure Data Fundamentals, Analyzing and Visualizing Data with Microsoft Power BI certification. With that said, I've got all these certifications, but all I want to do is Power BI. That's all I want to do. I want to do Power BI. I don't want to do Azure. Azure AI. I don't want to do Database Administrator. All I want to do is Power BI. But what all my certifications is showing is, one, I am more than qualified to do something else outside of Power BI. So don't play with me. Don't play with me. When you present me with an offer, you come with your top offer. I don't want to negotiate. I want your best offer. And then we're going to negotiate. Okay? So your certifications really don't mean you know anything more than anybody else, but it does mean that it gives you, it makes you a heavyweight. Okay? It makes you a heavyweight. So what I'm saying is, get as many certifications as you can. Definitely get a Power BI certification. In our next level of the Power of the BI, that's one of the things that we also focus on. We focus on resume, the Power BI resume, LinkedIn, advanced DAX, advanced reporting, and certification. That certification piece is heavy. Does it mean you know anything more? Does that mean I'm smarter than anybody else? No. That means I work a little bit harder on something else that's part of Power BI. And it's important. Everybody that you run up against is not going to be Power BI certified. And just think, if you are going up for a job and you are being compared against another candidate, one and both of you guys are equal, but one has a certification and one does not, who do you think you're going to give a job to? The one that's certified. Okay. What if one knows a little bit more than the other one, but the one who knows a little bit less has a certification? Who are they going to get a job to? The one that's certified. Okay. Do you have to have a certification in order to get the job? No. It just weighs a little differently if you did. With that said, you're still more than qualified to get that six-figure opportunity. And you will get the opportunity. It's just a matter of how you sell yourself. Part of your package could be a certification. Part of your package could be your online portfolio. And that's the other piece that we do here at the Power of the BI, is that that portfolio piece, that online portfolio. So one, we help you to build the more advanced reports and use the more advanced DAX calculation. But when you have that interview, you are able to show the interviewer your portfolio. So these are just a few reports that I created, and you will have access to the space too to provide, to build maybe 5 to 10 reports. And then it's going a little slow. I'm just going to pick one profit dashboard example. It's a profit dashboard report that I built. But at the end of the day, basically it just online. I'm not going to go through the functionality of all the reports and all the definitions and all the data behind the reports. But, you know, this is a conversation piece that you're able to have online with your interviewer when you're interviewing, saying, hey, you know, this is, you know, the type of report that I've created. And you are able to show several reports. And again, it's important, especially when you're first starting out, to be able to show some of your work. because that's the biggest question. Can you really do the job? Do you really know what you're talking about? Here's another report, retail sales report. Do you really know what you're talking about? Okay. Can you really build out a report? Do you really know DAX? Right. Those are some big questions, and you're getting paid big bucks. You're not coming in as an entry level person. You're coming in as a senior level, a senior level developer. Okay. So you really want to be able to show off your skill set. Just real quick, I do understand that everyone is not going to be interested in Power BI, but you're out there looking for a tech solution, a tech opportunity for you to get into the way you can make that career change, that career pivot. So for those of you guys that are out there that are into looking for that tech change, I do have a free 30-day calendar, a 30-day calendar. As you can see here, it's 30-day. Well, it's not a 30-day calendar. It's a 30-day tech transition planner. And it gives you day by day for 30 days, day 1 through day 30, to where you can use these steps in order to determine what tech venture you may want to get into. So I just wanted to throw that out there real quick. If you're interested in this free 30-day calendar that I have, just go to the link below in the link below in this video, and just click the link, follow the link, and we will get you over the 30-day tech transition planner. Just wanted to take a quick break to let you know that. Now let's get back over to the webinar. Just show you one more revenue dashboard. It just, and as I'm showing you, I'm showing you that I'm variations of the reports that I build, so that you understand I'm not just building one single looking type of report. All of these guys are different, different styles and different color layouts, and different fonts and different visuals. That's important because some of your customers, some of your employers, they're looking for someone that can build variations as opposed to one single monolithic type joint. Now, with that said, I have been with companies, and I've been with customers that all they want is a table. They want their data to come into a table just so it's pretty much automated. And that's cool. If that's all they want, you give them what they want. Don't try to overkill it. If they say this is what I want, give them what they want. But I think that it's very important to be able to do more than just what the customer wants or what the customer asks for. If you're able to do more, you may be able to show them that what they're looking for could be done a little different. And they may be able to achieve more by asking for more. A lot of times these guys don't even know they don't know what Power BI does. That's why they don't ask for more, because they don't know what it does. For instance, I'll show you one more report. I did a report for a finance and a CFO type person. And most guys in finance and accounting, they want their information in a spreadsheet, okay? But their profit and loss statement was just straight black and white. They didn't realize what else they could get, right? And by automating that profit and loss statement in Power BI, it was like, whoa, now they don't have to use Excel spreadsheets, right? It's just another step. Just you understanding what you can do with Power BI. With that said, it's not overkill. I hope that you guys, or hope that you yourself would join us in the next level of the Power of the BI. But if not, please connect with us again on LinkedIn. Connect with Lesson of the Power with Power of the BI on LinkedIn, and connect with me, Terod Robertson, on LinkedIn as well. Connect with me on Instagram. Reach out to me. Let me know what's going on with you. Talk to me. Share with me your successes, your interviews, what's not working, what is working. And at the very end of this lesson, please fill out the survey and let us know what we did right, what we did wrong, and what you'd like to see that could have made this course better. Okay, so with that said, I am going to check out. It has been real, it's been fun, and I hope that you have learned something and learned a new skill set that's going to allow you to take your professional life to the next level. So thank you for joining in on Power of the BI.